What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a cat delete on the truck, or installing a test pipe, or making a test pipe, whatever you want to call it. So essentially what I'm going to be doing is getting the cat, cutting the flanges off the cat, welding a pipe in between with the flanges, and then bolting it back up. So making a test pipe, I guess, would be a good title for this. I don't know. But after that, the truck should technically be fully straight pipe, because all I've done so far is just remove the muffler right here. There's just two bolts, and you remove this whole back section with the muffler. So right now my exhaust does end right here. I said I was gonna do something about that, and I am, but I really want to get rid of that cat. So I'm gonna take the cat off, so it's fully straight pipe from the manifolds all the way to right here, and then I'll probably just do a little turn down just for now, or I'll probably just end up doing a full exhaust to the back. All right, I told you guys, I'm not too sure on what exactly I want to do. I have an idea of roughly where I want the exhaust to come out, whether like the side, the center, you know, all that, but I'm not 100% sure on what exactly I want to do. So that's why I'm waiting on that a little bit. But in today's video, we're going to be removing this cat. All right, guys, so I got the cat off. It's right here. As you can see, open down pipe. And of course, I'm going to rev it for you guys, because I know you guys are dying to hear this. And you guys are going to be like, what the fuck? That's the loudest car I think I've ever had. Like, this is way louder than that truck over there. Like, this is extremely loud. I was talking to my dad right now. He's like, oh, just leave it off. Don't put the cat back on. Just leave it open down pipe. And I was like, what the fuck? We got the stock cat right here with the stock flanges. We already got this one cut. And I know a lot of people are going to be like, why would you ruin a perfectly good cat? They're like worth a lot of money, this and that, blah, blah. Well, one, this cat is junk. It literally does not work. It did not pass smog with this, so this thing is literally shot. Like, it literally is doing nothing besides just making a restriction for the truck. And two, the reason I'm using these flanges is because they're the original flanges, rather than, you know, buying different flanges. And the main reason for that is because if I ever want to do like a new gasket or something, I could just go to, you know, my auto parts store, and they'll just have the gasket that I need in stock, and I won't have to do anything custom. So that's the main reason why I'm doing this. But essentially, I'm gonna get this, grind this all down just so it's nice and flat. You can see some girth on there. Do the same with this, and then get a pipe, literally just a straight pipe, weld it on there, weld it on this, make it the same size, and then pretty much just weld it up and then bolt it into the truck with some new fresh gaskets. I forgot to mention, but before I cut the flanges off, I measured from the inside of the flange to the other inside of the flange, and it was about a little under 13.5 inches. So I measured right here from this edge to this edge, 13.5 inches. I know I said this was a little less, but since I have a little more, I could mock it up in there and then trim some away with the flap disc. I know this one's like completely gone. I need to get a new one, but with that, I could take some more material off rather than cutting it really short and then not have enough. So that's why I'm gonna cut it a little bit longer, and then I still gotta clean these up, and then I'll just weld these right onto there, and it'll look something like that. I got the test pipe all made and put on the truck. I didn't really film it, but I'll just quickly show you guys kind of what it looks like. The welds aren't the prettiest. I did do it with the Harbor Freight welder, but you can see right there, we got the factory exhaust to the flange right there, with my ugly welds. And hopefully it'll focus on this so you guys can see. Alright, so it finally focused. Harbor Freight junk welds. Comes over here. I got some more ugly welds. And then this goes to this little piece of pipe, which is my current exhaust tip that is right here. So the current exhaust in the truck is the stock manifold, goes down to the down pipe. There should be a cat right here. That's where I put my test pipe. And then there's this little mid pipe that has a hanger bolted up to it, and then there's nothing after that. So it's technically fully straight pipe right now. And it does sound really, really, really bad and really raspy when I get into like the high RPMs and I put the clutch into the shift. Sorry, I don't want my camera so bright, hold on. Sorry about that. But when I shift at high RPMs or I like downshift, it just sounds really, really raspy. It sounds like a Honda, if that's kind of what you want to compare it to. And the main reason is because there is no muffler, there's no resonator, there's literally nothing. It's just fully straight pipe, and these trucks sound like garbage fully straight pipe. So I am going to be throwing on a test pipe probably somewhere back here in this section, and then I'm going to be doing the exhaust off of there. But that's pretty much it for this video, is just making that test pipe and getting all that bolted up. There is no exhaust leaks, so that's not why it sounds like raspy. It's just because, like I said, it's fully straight pipe and it sounds like horrible. But that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What I'm currently working on right now is lowering the C10. I know there's a lot of you who have been wanting videos on the C10. The rear already has been lowered. Now just working on the front, so it's all torn apart. So there will be a video on this on the channel if you guys are interested. Definitely check out the channel to see more videos on this truck. I'm gonna finally start working on it. And then, like I said, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.